I have come with an exciting news for you today. After extensive research, I have come up with 5 companies or websites that are currently recruiting customer care representatives. You can work from anywhere in this world and you have flexibility. You can choose anytime. You can work from anywhere. This is worldwide. So guys, please watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video I am going to give you another additional website or company that is currently recruiting. I'm going to give you a bonus website apart from these 5 websites that I am going to list for you now. So without waste of time, let's dive in. So the first company that we have here is called NexRep.com. So how this website works is that to get started, first of all, you need to come to this website. And when you come here, you have to join the marketplace. You have to join the marketplace. You have to register. And after that, they're going to contact you and chat with you and speak with you to know more about you. And after that, they will match you with available job. So you can scroll down to the end of the page and you click on work from home. Work from home. So the page is loading, guys. It's loaded. So when this form appears, you have to fill this form correctly, your first name, last name, email, and you click on next. Okay, after that, they're going to get back on you. So this is how NexRep.com works. You have to join the marketplace if you want to get a job. So that's the first website. Then the second website we have here is called AgentOnly. AgentOnly. And this particular website is similar to NexRep.com, because you have to also join their marketplace for you to get a job. So just as we did in NexRep.com, when you come here, you have to join the marketplace. So when you scroll down, you will see become an agent. When you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see become an agent. You click on that and you get yourself registered. Okay, then that's the second one, right? That's the second one. Then let's move to the third website we have here, which is workable.com. So when you come to workable.com, you can go to the career center. When you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see job seeker resources, and under that you will see career center. So you have to click on it and you select the job, the kind of job you want. Because today we are specializing on customer care representative. So you select that and apply, and God willing, you get the job. Okay. So the fourth website we have here, we have here is called Taxcom. Okay, it's called Taxcom. So for Taxcom, look at the website here, and when you scroll down, you will see careers with us. Okay, you either become a worker or you partner with them. So you click on careers with us to see the available jobs and you apply. So that's the fourth website. Now let's move to the fifth website we have here. Remember, I told you at the end of this video I am going to give you a bonus website. Okay, that's a reward for you watching this video to the end. So the fifth website here we have here is called Liveops.com. Okay, so when you come to Liveops.com, at the top right hand corner of the page, you will see become an agent. Look at it. I believe you can see my mouse pointer. You click on become an agent. So when you click on that, you fill the necessary information, okay, and they will get back to you. So that is it for this particular website, or 5 websites that I have promised you people. So for those that watch this video to the end, the additional website I want to show you is called Upwork. I believe most of you know Upwork. It's a very simple website where you can get a very easy and quick jobs that you can do and get paid, okay? So if you want jobs relating to customer care services, you come to Upwork, then you sign up. I believe you can sign up, and but the only thing I want to tell you is, while filling the information in your profile, try to put something like virtual assistant or virtual or customer care service or something of that nature, because when you do that, they will be sending jobs relating to customer care service to you, okay? But if you didn't put something of that nature, they might be sending jobs, maybe tech jobs, like maybe website design or something of that nature. So you have to put customer care service, virtual assistant, or something of that nature for you to get jobs relating to that, okay? So that is it for Upwork. So when you scroll down, here, you can see jobs. You can see virtual assistant jobs that you can apply. Look at this. We have remote administrative assistant, and we have lot more of that. We have many jobs relating to that. Look at another one here. So that is how it works. So guys, thank you for watching this quick video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Subscribe to the channel. You can comment. You can reach out to me if you need any assistance. We can relate. So thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it.